G'day everyone, welcome to Dreamworld today. It's good to see the sun's back out again after the bit of rain that we've had lately. So let's go inside, grab a coffee and we'll see what's going on. So I got my coffee, so we'll have that. We'll go and have a walk around and see what's happening. See, there's a scrim around the entire train station now. So they're still doing a bit more work there. Being done on where the Spur Track's going to come down here. I guess this will probably be where carriages will be put when they're not in use. Not sure if this will be for maintenance or not, or yeah, just when the carriages aren't being used. And then the train will come down through here. We've got the new boom gates on there, and then through into the station. And now there's a screen all around the station, which I thought the painting has been finished, but they're still doing work on the platform, I think, just to make sure that the carriages and the train fit perfectly. See, there's more of the work getting done here to prep the station platform for the new carriages and train.